right, I'm going to show you one of the coolest features of Domo. It's called Domo Embed or Domo Everywhere. And what it allows you to do is allows you to take an entire dashboard you've made and to put it into another website, another page, or to just have a link so that other people can access that dashboard page only, not your Domo instance. So let me show you how this works. Let's say we have a dashboard like this. This is a standard dashboard that I have. I can go to this box with this up arrow. Click that, and I can go to Embed right here, Embed Dashboard. Now what will happen is it'll produce this little view for me, and I could say I want to show the title of the page, I don't want it, I want to allow people to filter or to export or not. I can turn on things that I want and turn off what I don't want. Right now this is to public, but you could choose it to be private if you want to. I'm going to take public, and right here we have this little iframe code, and I can copy that. And when I copy that code, I can put it into my own website or another page, and I can have people access this dashboard through my website. So here's an example. So if we go to my website, dashboarddudes.com/templates, this page looks like it's my website, but it's really the embed from Domo coming into my website. So you could see I have all these features in here, and it's one seamless experience. So let me give you some really cool advice that I've seen. Is I have some clients who actually monetize Domo. For instance, what they'll do is they'll have reporting and they'll make a dashboard. They will put it into their own website, password protected, and then sell the ability for their clients to access data whenever they want for some type of monthly subscription. That way, my client is happy because they don't have to spend days and weeks prepping to make PowerPoint presentations and PDF on how their clients are doing. Their clients can access data whenever they want. Domo gets to use better features. Anyway, that's how to do Domo Embed. Super, super cool, really easy to pull off. Hey, if that was helpful, I got a surprise for you. If you go to dashboarddudes.com, you can get access to my courses to be the me of your organization. With Dashboard Dudes, you get a couple things. The first is you get access to all the courses, every single one of them. And how these videos are designed, they're designed to be, you watch me, you do it. And they're made in short 5-10 minute videos. That way you could do it during break, before work, after work, on the weekends, whatever you want to do. You're going to watch me do something, then you're going to do exactly what I do to master Domo. That's the Dashboard Dudes method. Furthermore, what you get is you can sign up for a trial. And during this trial, you can book time with me, 30 minutes for free every single month, so I can help you out with whatever problems you have. In addition, I will send you a newsletter that's the latest and greatest that I have learned in Domo, little tips and tricks, only once a month so you're not bombarded. And you get this library of video answers that I've given for FAQs, frequently asked questions. So give it a shot, check out a trial, and have fun with it. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.